So hello guys, Hemant here, and in this video I'm bringing you the IT questions asked in Nabard Mains 2020. Exam was bit tricky, but ample amount was time was there, 90 minutes. I think it was sufficient. But exam was really tricky, and especially the two questions, the two markers were really tricky. Okay, you were supposed to uh, have a sound amount of knowledge, the basic knowledge of everything almost. Okay, so the exam was conducted today, 24th of September 2020, and let us see how the cutoff goes. Okay, the exam was a bit hard. Also English descriptive was also hard. So here are few of the questions that were asked into the IT for the information and technology stream students. This may help for the Sebi IT preparations as well. Okay, so students can know the trends about the current IT stuffs. Okay, the two markers questions were, first one was which use case diagram represents data configuration and flow. One question was related to this. Options were like use case diagram, class diagram, etc. Then another question was about coupling and cohesion. I do not remember the question, but it was about this. So you can study this concept and understand it fully. Okay. Another one was what is artificial intelligence depth first search algorithm. So in artificial in a question was like in artificial intelligence, uh, what could be equivalent to depth first search algorithm. Okay, that was the question. Next one was two questions were asked on the COBOL, the data type and coding structure. So you were supposed to know the COBOL stuff as well. Okay, one question was about Kruskal Wallis test. And I didn't knew this, but it was asked in the exam. Then one question was like out of given options, which is not a database. Okay, another one was data type not supported by Pascal. So five data types were given, and you need to select the answer, like which data type is not supported by Pascal. Okay, then there was one question like after which command the execution of code begins in PLSQL. So five commands were given in the options. Next one is RAD, rapid application development, does not include following models. So which model was not included in the RAD? That was the question. Okay, you need to understand this RAD thoroughly to get your idea cleared. One question was regarding the red black tree. Okay, then one question was like following operator can't be used with operands in C and C++. So five options were given. You need to select which is cannot be used with the operands in C and C++. And one question was related to UDP, the protocol, and the features connectionless. That one was the options. Okay, then one question was on agile, the methodology of the agile. Okay, which is five features were given, and you need to tell which one is not a part of agile. Okay, then one question was related to virus sweeper. You need to five options were given, and question was like what what is the thing that snatches away the user data. Okay, that was some question. The virus sweeper was there in the option as well. Okay, then the protocol not used in application layer. So five protocols were given, and you need to answer that which of the protocol is not used in the application layer. Then two questions were there about what if analysis in Excel. So Excel, there is some what if analysis available in Excel. You also need to know that. Okay, exam is getting very tricky and they can really ask anything. Then one question was like in order traversal was given, and you need to convert it into pre-order. So this comes in many of the exams. Clear your concepts about this for the Sebi as well. Okay, and one question was there, the first question for the 1k word, some memory size were given, and you need to find out how many words can be accommodated. Something was that. Okay, then one markers were there also. The question was like SQL creates cross tab using. So that was one question. Then best summarized tool in Excel. Okay. Then following is used to store variables in C. So the static variable, there were some types of variables, and question was something like this, like following is used to store the variables in the C programming language. Okay. And web crawler is an example of, so it was also there. Then dash is implemented using encapsulation. So many options were there, abstraction, etc. were the options. Then under which testing, it uses the feedback from customers in different environment. So which testing uses this particular stuff, I mean alpha, beta, what. Then pipeline process is implemented using, so it was asked in the exam. Then who interprets the source code line by line? Interpreter, then compiler, assembler. So what could be the answer? Okay, interpreter was the answer here. Then when binary data was given 1100 you need to convert it into decimal. Okay, it was easier. Then one question was like, who captures personal info? Trojan horse, etc. were the options. C variable that retains its value, that was also one of the questions. So constant is the variable, I guess. Okay. Then technique used when channel bandwidth is more than sending signals. Options were time division multiplexing, then frequency division multiplexing, etc. were the options. That concept should be clear. Okay. Then the type of software given on a trial basis. So usually we get software 14-day free trial, 7-day free trial. So basically, what do you call those softwares? They are open source, freeware, shareware, what exactly? Okay. Then delay in multimedia is known as, so jitter was the option probably. Okay. Circuit to store 1 bit, I think flip flop was given in the options. Then real world objects are called, so some examples were given like person, place, etc. So what do they are called? Entity, relationship, what exactly they are called? Okay. And one question was on Van Neumann. There was some options were given, but you need to find out this, even I didn't know this. Okay. Then relational algebra operation, one question was also there about this relational algebra. One question was about ACID full form, the ACID properties of database. Then what is the process known as for the Bitcoin release? Okay, what exactly it is known as? Bitcoin mining, etc. And following is not a part of SDLC. So few stages were given. You need to tell which is not a part of SDLC. Then logical memory is fixed size blocks. So logical memory is divided into fixed sizes in computers. So what do they call? Block, frame, pages, etc. Yeah. So Van Neumann and relational algebra operation, that was asked. Yeah. So these were few of the questions asked into the Nabard grade A mains IT stream. Okay. Based on this, you guys can just assume what could be asked in the Sebi upcoming Sebi exams and the next IBPS IT officer exams. Okay. So these are few of the questions asked. Do comment your attempts, and what do you think about the cutoffs? What cutoff do you predict? Just comment down. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.